What's going on, everyone? Emad with ENT here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to properly and safely lift basically any Ford Fiesta like this one. Join us. Alright guys, so this is basically all you'll need. You got a jack stands, and something to just chock the wheels in the back. Now, also, whatever work you're doing on any vehicle, make sure you always have hand protection and also eye protection, because, well, look, you are worth way more than any vehicle, so always protect yourself. Alright y'all, so on these Ford Fiesta models here, they have a little plastic cutout right here and right here and on the other side as well. Now what you want to do is you want to take your jack and kind of line it up with that, and basically vice versa on the back. I'm just going to be lifting the front end of this vehicle today. Also y'all, make sure that the parking brake is pulled up pretty strong. You don't want the car to roll back on you. Again, safety first. Just take the jack. You're just gonna slide it underneath there. Alright guys. So guys, if you look underneath the vehicle here, you'll see a little pinch weld right here. Now you want to line this part up with a pinch weld. Now if you're like me and don't want to damage this area here, what you can do is you can just take a little 2x4 piece, slide it in between the jack, and get as much contact as you can. Adjust the jack to the little area there, and then just pump it up. What that's going to do is it's going to actually make contact with that little pinch weld there, and supposedly not cause as much damage as that would cause. Now whether this would cause enough damage to even make a difference, you're the one that has to decide that, but I just like to go ahead and use that since this is a basically brand new car. So yeah, let's get this head lifted up and I'll show you how to do the jack stands. Alright guys, I think we got the vehicle lifted up to a decent height, to get your wheels off, to do anything you need to do underneath the vehicle on this side anyways. So let's get the jack stands in here. Alright, so the way you use the jack stands, it's pretty simple. You just take the jack stand, slide it to about where you think the pinch weld is, and then just look under there. Line it up as good as you can, and then just pick it up. Remember, watch the little plastic piece right there. You don't want the car to come down on this, damaging the vehicle. Alright y'all, that's what it should look like. And what you want to do now is you just want to slowly lower the vehicle down on the jack stands. Again guys, please never work under a vehicle with just these things on there. These jacks fail and it could kill you or horribly maim you. So just be safe guys, just use this. It's not going to take like a minute extra to put this on. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to slowly put the jack down on the jack stand. The way you do this is you turn this counterclockwise. You turn the shaft counterclockwise and that loosens it up, but you only want to do it very, very slightly. I don't think I could do this one-handed. Alright y'all, so now the jack's down and the vehicle is suspended by just the jack stands, and this is what you need. Now test the vehicle out. Go ahead and give the vehicle a good little pull here and there to make sure that it's pretty stable, and this vehicle is pretty stable. It's not moving. So that's that. Let's go get the other side of the vehicle, and then we're going to chock just one of the back wheels. You don't need to really chock both of them.
Okay, so to drop the vehicle after lifting it, it's basically just done in reverse. Just give it a little pump with the jack, get it off the jack stands, and then use that little lever off of the jack stand to drop the little metal piece down, and you're good.
And guys, please don't forget to chalk the back tires of these things. Please, safety first. And remember guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, do all those good things. It helps us bring you more great material for your DIY needs or everything. Thank you.